guys, thank you very much for joining. I got a real quick one today. So after watching the Super Bowl halftime show, I heard Dre play this on the piano. I kind of forgot about this song. It's a fantastic song, Changes by Tupac. So it's one of the coolest rap riffs that I've heard that you can play on the guitar that sounds really, really cool. It's definitely piano based, but it sounds great on the guitar. So I'm going to go over that here for you guys real quick. As always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and let's hop in. All right, so we're really just, so there's just a riff here. So no chords, no bar chords, nothing like that to hold down. I'm going to go ahead and play through it here real quick. That's it. And you can play it over and over and over again. So we start here on the 5th fret here of that G, hammer on, and just pull off. Okay, and then you're going to go to the 5th fret of the D. So when you do these pull-offs here, when you finish pulling off here on that 7th fret, then you can again hit, just to get more sound, you can hit this. Now, if you do it, well enough, you don't have to do that, but okay. So I hit the 5th fret here on that D once, twice, and then to the 6th fret. Right, one more time. Okay, and then from there, here on that 6th fret of the B, we're going to do the same pattern here. Well, for the most part, I'm going to hammer on here. So we're hammering around that 6th, 8, 9. Okay. Then we're going to go to the 7th of the G and the 8th of the D. Okay. Let's go ahead and play through up to that point real quick. From here, okay, so from here we're going to start here on the 8th fret here of this D. Going to go to the 5th, so going to go to the 5th here of the G, 7th of the G, 5th, come back here to the 8th fret on that D, into the 3rd, 5th, 6, 5, 3, open D. I know I just said a bunch there, so let me go ahead and play through that a couple times. Go ahead and play through the whole thing slowly here. that's it, guys. That is How You Play Changes by Tupac on the guitar. Fantastic, fantastic song. Leave me feedback, comments below, and I'll see you guys again soon.